Welcome to another video by Grandpa Does Tech. Today we're going to do the Mac operating system, known as the MacOS. This will be part 2. This will be a simple and quick explanation of common applications that you need to use fairly much on a daily basis to enjoy your Mac. We're going to discuss email, texting, contacts, calendar, photos, the internet, and music. I will be going in depth on all of these subjects in the future, but right now I just want to show you how to find them and open them up and do a simple task in each one. So let's begin. The first one I want to bring you to is, this is my home screen, of course, the desktop as it's called right here. This is the menu bar that we discussed in the previous email. I'll try to put a card up in one of the corners so you can find that if you need to go back to it. And this is my screensaver right here. I do live on the coast, but this is not my water. But anyway, so we start off by going down here to the dock. This is the dock down here. Right here, this is the dock. So the first thing we want to open is mail. This is the mail icon. So this is my cursor. You put it over the mail icon and you click on it. And then mail pops up. So today, already in my email today, I have some coupons from Kroger. I have something spam called the Daily Signal. I did not request that, but I get all these weird emails from people and companies and sources that I didn't request. And of course, in the last one is Joel Osteen Ministries. So what do we do here? Well, ignore all of this for now. You don't need to worry about any of this over here. We'll go into detail later on. So right now, we just simply want to send an email to somebody. And we see that I got a message from Word Daily, Kroger Savings, the Daily Signal, and Joel Osteen Ministries. So now I want to create an email. Well, how do I do that? Again, ignore all this over here. Okay, so you just go up here, you click on Get New Messages. I got all my new messages, and I click right here, and this is how you write a message. So let's choose Ted's Woodworking. Subject: help me with my account. And then down here, please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please help me find my user ID and password. Thank you. And then I can simply go right here to this little arrow and hit send, and away it went. And I would be able to click over here on all sent and see that email over there, but I don't want to do that because it has other people's email addresses in it. So we won't do that. But anyway, that's how you send an email, and that's how you read it, get an email to read. So we're going to close this. You simply go to the little red dot after you hover over the menu bar. Click on the little red dot and it goes away. Now let's do text messages. Right here, and it'll take you to April 2nd, which is the day I'm recording this. You can go to day. I don't have anything scheduled for today. I can go to week. There's all my stuff. Back to my year. And it goes away. This is photos. So you go down to the dock. You go to photos. And all your photos pop up. And that is one of my 4 Yorkies right there. She just got back from the groomers. And she's not happy whatsoever about having her picture taken. But that's Tabitha, I think. They all look alike. So anyway, Photos is what they call a very robust application, which means it's very complicated and detailed, but we'll do a whole video just on photos. So again, we go to the menu, and we hit the red button, and it goes away. The next is Safari. And with the latest update of Safari, it always opens up in private browsing. Safari is designed with privacy in mind by preventing tracking by default. Private browsing adds additional privacy protections for all tabs in this window. After you close this window, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. So to search, all you have to do is go up here to the search bar, click on that, and today we'll look up Home Depot. And there's a delivery tracker right there. It's not what I really want, but it's okay. Try it one more time. Home Depot. And hit enter. And allow. And then I can just click right here on the Home Depot. And then I can come over here and just shop to my heart's content, or until I run out of money. So anyway, that is Home Depot. And again, to close it, you just go up to the menu bar and you hit the red button. And the last thing we'll talk about is Apple Music. And this screen automatically opens because I've already chose some music before. And to play it, this is your control. So this is play, this is rewind, and this is forward. So I'm going to turn it on for a minute. And if it records, that's fine. And if it doesn't, that's fine. But if it does, I may have to knock out the sound because I'll get what's called copyright strike. So when you're recording music off the internet and going to post it to YouTube, if it's a copyrighted music, they won't let you do that, and they won't let you post your email as a result. Your video as a result. So let's hit play and see what happens. And then stop it, you just click here. That's the music I play whenever I am working or editing videos. So again, you go to the menu bar, you turn it off, and you're back to your desktop yet again. So, I hope that is beneficial to you. Please like and subscribe. Please send it to any seniors that you may know that might need an introduction to the macOS. I really appreciate it if you do. And hoping you have a blessed day, and I hope to see you again in a future video soon. Thank you.